afternoon. I'm Sindhu Joseph, co-founder and CEO of CogniCor. CogniCor provides the world's first fully automated customer issue resolution for corporates. 66334-334-0700 is the number of the NVC. It's the National Visa Center. I know it very well because I have been spending an hour yesterday trying to reach the call center of NVC, and almost 50 hours in the past few weeks just to get to know the status of my green card application. This is not just myself. Around 270 billion customers around the world are trying to contact their providers, and 60% of those calls are unresolved. Why is it so hard for customer service to get it right? It's because of two problems. One is our over-dependence on human resource. You all know, and enterprises know this very well, that it's very hard to train and retain good talent in customer service. And we also know that enterprises are changing policies and fragmented knowledge bases, and finally losing too few trained experts. So we have a bunch of tools around for a long time, from ticketing softwares, CRM systems that are very good to manage and route information through different workflows and platforms. And then we have virtual agents that actually seem to understand customer questions and give a kind of generic answer. There's the advanced version of that. You might even get personalized answers, but there are no tools available so far that would give you answers to questions like, what's my last month's bill? To also questions like, the last month's invoice seems to be wrong. You haven't applied a discount to a telco company. Do you get an answer? So this is the kind of problems that most consumers like us face, and we don't have an answer to such questions. So imagine for a moment if you are able to clone your best customer service agent and put it across all channels, all self-service channels and call centers. And this is exactly what CogniCor does. CogniCor provides a virtual assistant software that is both for self-service channels and also for call center, for assisting to call centers, that provides not only answers to questions like product information, product comparison, process questions, but also to your complaints and claims. It can also, like the star feature there is like, you don't have to, we don't store a single question or answer, but we dynamically create the answers to your questions. And you can ask in fully natural language, English or Spanish or many other languages, and we give an answer customized for your context. And one more very interesting feature that no other virtual assistant solution provides is that we have a very nice knowledge extraction platform which automatically picks up knowledge from different sources like websites, like invoices, and to just give an example. So what does this mean? This means that your virtual assistant is up and running, not in 3 months, not in 3 days, but in 3 hours. You can have your first version of your virtual assistant. So all this is based on artificial intelligence technology. We have 3 pillars to our solution. One is a natural language engine that understands very flexible natural language queries. And we model concepts and not keywords, or not even syntactic analysis. We do a concept modeling. That means that any question can be understood in a very interesting way. We also have a machine learning part of our system that picks up information from previous questions and answers and issues, so that we can learn the company policies, resolution policies, and provides an answer. Our knowledge platform, management platform, as I said, can be bootstrapped very quickly so that it can be scaled very well. So the result is that companies can save a huge amount of operational cost in customer service, but also have satisfied customers who's receiving instant solution to their questions and issues. So ours is a SaaS model, fully delivered from the cloud, and we charge only based on volume of interactions handled. The team is myself. I'm a PhD in artificial intelligence and have worked in the space for the last 10 years, both in artificial intelligence and in customer service technologies. And I have 6 US patents in that space. My co-founder is a software guru, worked in for around 15 years in big companies like multinational companies in the enterprise software delivery space. We are a spin-off from one of the top artificial intelligence institutes in Europe, and our awards and recognitions actually reflect some of the credibility that we have built. So launching in 2012, we came out as the most innovative company in Europe, from Europe, by the European Commission, and we also have now in 3 years offices opened in Barcelona, India, and very recently in San Francisco as well. We have some of the very interesting clients, like if you don't have a reason yet to choose why CogniCor, these are the reasons. We have some of the top brands trusting us to resolve their complaints. We have already resolved around 500,000 issues and interactions from the customer, and we have also received one of the best awards that I consider as the Delighting Tomorrow's Customer Award from around 40 software vendors. Thank you.